Hello and welcome to the Joggernaut instructional video. Joggernaut is an iPhone app that allows walkers, joggers, and runners to manage their exercises while providing advanced features that make exercising more fun. Joggernaut consists of 4 tabs at the bottom of the screen that allow you to execute your jog, update settings, manage your playlist through some advanced features, and view and update your stats through a variety of displays. On the Jog tab, you can start your exercise by tapping the Start button. While a jog is in progress, you can monitor your time, distance, and average speed. Calories are also displayed if you've entered your weight on the Settings tab. Tapping the Map button will show your current progress overlaid on a map. There are also music control buttons at the bottom to allow you to play, pause, and change your current song. Now let's move on to the Settings tab. The Settings tab has multiple sections that allow you to adjust various aspects of Joggernaut. The Profile setting allows you to create multiple profiles if you want to share Joggernaut with another user. In the General settings, we have 3 options: Measurements, Accuracy, and Weight. Measurement allows you to select between metric and English. Once you select a measurement type, all measurements will be displayed in that type. Next is the accuracy setting. In certain cases, higher accuracy can use more battery life, but provide more frequent updates, which improves the distance accuracy displayed on the jog screen. It is recommended that you keep accuracy set to high unless you are using Joggernaut on very long runs and anticipate battery life to be the problem. And for the weight section, you can enter your weight in either pounds or kilograms, which will enable calorie calculations. The next section on the Settings tab are the Jog settings. Jog goal allows you to set your objective for the current exercise. You can specify jog goal by time, distance, or calories. Setting a jog goal allows Joggernaut to alert you on your progress through audio alerts and music playlist changes, which we'll explain momentarily. The second item in this section is Treadmill mode for users who are exercising indoors and will not be physically changing location. Treadmill mode allows Joggernaut to still record time elapsed and manage your music and audio alerts. When an exercise is completed in Treadmill mode, Joggernaut will ask you to enter in your distance traveled so your stats will be updated. The next section is the Profile Goals section. Weekly, monthly, and yearly goals allow you to set longer-term objectives, similar to the jog goal. We'll see how these goals are tracked on the Stats tab shortly. The final section on the Settings tab is the Audio settings. Audio settings allow you to manage audio alerts for each exercise. If you set a jog goal and turned on audio alerts, Joggernaut will inform you when you are 50%, 90%, and 100% complete with your exercise. To hear what each audio alert sounds like, simply turn on the audio alert to hear a sample. Now let's move to the Music tab. The Music tab has 2 settings: General settings and Playlist settings. Within General settings, the first setting is Auto Start. Auto Start simply tells Joggernaut whether to start your selected playlist when you begin an exercise. If this setting is turned off, you can still start the music via the play button on the jog screen. The Shuffle setting allows you to control whether Shuffle is on for the current playlist. Now the Playlist settings section. Joggernaut allows you to load up to 3 different playlists, each of which will start at different times during your exercise. First is the regular playlist. This is the playlist that starts when your exercise begins. Second is the Power playlist. This playlist will kick in at a certain time during your run. You can specify, as a percentage of your jog, when this will occur. Last is the cooldown playlist, which will load after your jog is complete. Now on to the last tab. The Stats tab allows you to view your progress in a variety of ways. First is the Profile Summary. The summary shows aggregated stats for your profile. You can track the total distance traveled, the time spent, and calories burned while using Joggernaut. The next stats section is the Jog section. Jogs allows you to view and manually update each jog if necessary. This is useful in case you've gone on a run with poor satellite connection and the distance recorded was either 0 or incorrect. Simply tap on the run, tap Edit, and adjust the fields appropriately. The jog section also allows you to enter a new run from scratch. Simply tap on the plus button to add a new run and fill in the appropriate data lines. You can also enter your weight so that calories are calculated appropriately. The current goal summary section allows you to view your progress of each of your goal types that you've specified on the Settings tab. Use the toolbar to toggle between goal types. Goal accomplishments is a way to track how many of your goals you've completed, both in the current year and overall. You'll also notice your rank at the bottom of the screen. You can advance your rank by completing goals over time. And finally, we have the Theme and View Theme map sections. Joggernaut allows you to select a theme from a list of famous routes around the world. Selecting a theme allows you to see your progress on a map over these famous routes. Here you'll see the famous route in black along with your current progress overlaid on top in green. If you'd like to change how much of your progress is shown, tap the Edit button and select the desired time frame. Please note that if you've already completed the distance of the theme's route, the overlay will reset and display only your current lapse progress. Also note that with a theme selected, you can now see additional metrics on your profile summary. In this case, what % completed I am on the Greek Marathon and how many gyros worth of calories I've burned. This concludes our Joggernaut demo. Thanks for watching, and please rate us and give feedback through our page on the App Store.